What do I like about Slovenia? That's a question I ask myself every single day. And actually I've realized that Slovenian people are the happiest people on the planet. My name is Rada, and I've realized that svoboda is the way and the water for life.
Voda.svoboda, water for life. That is Slovenian. I learn something every day.
Voda.svoboda, water for life.
Voda.svoboda, water for life. Vie et l'eau et la vie.
Voda.svoboda is water for life.
Voda.svoboda, water for life.
Voda.svoboda, water for life.
Voda.svoboda, water for life. Pani Jivan Mukte. Oh, I forgot the last one. Pani Zindagi Ke Liye. Voda.